Most people think HVAC is only about air conditioners, but in reality, every HVAC system stands on 5 strong pillars. If even one pillar is weak, the whole system fails. Today, I will explain the 5 pillars of HVAC that every technician must understand. Pillar 1. Heating. What is heating in HVAC? Heating is the process of adding heat to an indoor space to maintain comfort during cold weather. In HVAC systems, heating is usually provided by furnaces, heat pumps, boilers, electric heaters. The goal of heating is to maintain a stable indoor temperature, not to overheat the space. Why heating is important? Without proper heating, indoor comfort is lost. Moisture problems increase. Equipment efficiency drops. Heating is the first foundation of HVAC comfort control. Pillar 2. Cooling. What is cooling in HVAC? Cooling does not mean creating cold. Cooling means removing heat from indoor air and releasing it outside. Cooling is achieved using air conditioners, chillers, refrigeration systems. This process works on the vapor compression cycle, where heat is absorbed and rejected. Why cooling is important? Controls indoor temperature, removes excess heat from people, machines, and lights, improves productivity and comfort. Cooling is the most visible pillar of HVAC. Pillar 3. Ventilation. What is ventilation? Ventilation is the process of supplying fresh air and removing stale air from a building. Ventilation helps to remove carbon dioxide, CO2, odors, smoke, harmful gases. Types of ventilation include natural ventilation, mechanical ventilation. Why ventilation is critical? Without ventilation, oxygen levels drop. Air becomes unhealthy. People feel tired and uncomfortable. Ventilation is the lungs of an HVAC system. Pillar 4. Air filtration and indoor air quality. IAQ. What is air filtration? Air filtration removes dust, bacteria, allergens, pollutants. This is done using air filters, HEPA filters, air purifiers. Why indoor air quality matters? Good air quality protects human health, reduces allergies, improves system life. Clean air is as important as temperature. Pillar 5. Humidity control. What is humidity control? Humidity control means maintaining proper moisture level in air. Ideal indoor humidity, around 40% to 60%. Too much humidity causes mold growth, bad smell, discomfort. Too little humidity causes dry skin, eye irritation, static electricity. Humidity is controlled by dehumidification, AC systems, humidifiers in dry climates. Humidity control completes the HVAC balance. An HVAC system is not just heating or cooling. It stands on 5 pillars: heating, cooling, ventilation, air quality, and humidity control. When all 5 work together, the system becomes efficient, comfortable, and healthy.